Do you know there are many medicines you can get without getting any prescription? Yes, it is nothing but OTC medicine. Or we can say, the medicine we can easily get from the counter without having any prescription. So, hello everyone, welcome back to the Motivation Medicos. My name is Prince Tiwari, and today we're gonna study or know about the OTC medicine. So first of all, let's take the headache. So once you feel the headache, you can get the medicine, that is paracetamol, aspirin, and ibuprofen, okay, from the counter without having any prescription. All right, and you should never take OTC medicine longer or in higher doses than level recommends. All right, and if your symptoms don't go away, so it's clear that you have to go to the your healthcare care provider or to the doctor as well. All right, now the next one, that is the nausea and the vomiting. So once you feel the nausea and vomiting, at the time you can get the ondansetron and the domperidone. All right, these two medicine you can easily get from the counter when you feel nausea and vomiting as well. Now let's talk about the gastritis and acidity. So once you feel the gastritis and acidity, so you can take these medicine, that is pantoprazole, omeprazole, ramaprazole, and ranitidine. These are the medicines which decrease the level of production of acid in stomach as well. So these medicine you can easily get that from the counter. Now let's take the painkiller or the body pain. All right, so once you feel the body pain, and it it must be common. If you are confirm that you have a pain in body, which is very common, at the time you can get that. Otherwise you must go to the doctor. So the first one, that is ibuprofen, diclofenac, acetylphenidate, and paracetamol. About the paracetamol, it's a very common drug, as you know. So these are the drugs you can easily get from the OTC. All right, and the next one, that is fever. Once you feel the fever, so you can get the paracetamol, ibuprofen, and tylenol. Okay, you can get in the form of syrup as well for the child. All right, and the now let's take the talk about the colic pain. Colic pain is nothing but stomach pain. I'm just writing over here, stomach pain. So once you feel the stomach pain, you can get the medicine, that is the diclomine. All right, dicyclomine. And now let's take about the cough. So there are two types of cough: dry cough and wet dry cough and the wet cough. All right, so in the dry cough, okay, you just have to take the syrup, that is ascoril D syrup. And in the in the when you have the wet cough, so you can get the grelin syrup. All right, this syrup you can get in the wet and dry in the ascorilic D syrup as well. And if it is not normal, if you feel the cough is being too much, taking too much time and all, so you must consult with the doctor. All right, now let's talk about the cold, runny nose, and the allergy. So for the allergy, you can get the cetirizine, evil, and crocin. As you know, it's a very common drug for the cold. And if you are having also the headache, you can get that crocin as well. Now let's talk about the diarrhea. So when you feel the diarrhea or the loose motion, you can get the loperamide and bismuth subacylsalicylate. All right, this is bismol, or we can also say in another hand, that is bismol vc as well. Now let's talk about the burn. So once you have normal burn from the fat, so you can put the cream, that is burnol. Okay, it's a kind of cream, you can put it. And let's talk about the constipation. So once you feel the constipation, you can get the medicine or drug, that is Bescodile or psyllium husk as well. All right, these two are okay, you can get from the counter directly. Now let's talk about the injury. So once you have the injury, and it would be obviously from the outside of the body, so at that time, okay, to prevent the infection, you can put the betadine and sapromycin over there, and then dress that part as well. So these are the OTC medicines, okay, we have seen, okay, in this video. And in the other hand, that medicine we can easily get without having prescription from the counter. So but the the symptoms, if getting very time, so it takes very time, so you must consult with the doctor as well. So this was all about the OTC medicine. I hope this video have given you the good understanding about the medicine. But this video, this video is only for the knowledge. Okay, if you have the any symptoms, okay, that is, lasts for many days, so you must consult with doctor. Don't, go or don't take medicine, directly from the over the counter as well. So as always, thanks for watching.